up, family? Today we're looking at a brand new traditional home in Harrisburg, North Carolina. Let's take a look. First thing you'll notice about this property is this very long stretch driveway here. Now there's good trees for natural shading and also privacy from neighbors. You also get a sense of wildlife when you're here. This home comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and also a wraparound porch for you, covered in stone veneer and blue vinyl. First bedroom we're coming across here is walk-in. This you can use as a traditional bedroom, or you can go ahead and use it as an office. Also have a nice size closet here. Here's a bonus. You have a full bath attached to this. Walking into the full bath here, you can notice you have a brand new tile backsplash in this bathroom. Also with new Quartz countertops.
Walking back to our kitchen, we have our large quartz island with a built-in farmhouse sink, along with custom cabinetry. Flowing into the living area, we have custom cedar beams that accent the space. You also have a huge back covered porch equipped with a fan so you can stay cool. Engineered hardwood floors throughout the entire home. Entering our second bathroom. Champagne bronze faucets. Your private bathroom. This also flows into a room-sized closet before we get to the washroom. New tile backsplash and white shaker cabinets. Walking into our very spacious 2-car garage. As you can tell, this home flows very well, along with good space. The staircase is one of my favorite parts of the home. It leads right into your loft area. Here we have our second floor, 3rd bedroom. Adequate closet space. Now looking at our 2nd story full bath with a tile shower and champagne bronze faucets. Here is your main primary bedroom with a wonderful walk-in closet. The primary bathroom has quartz countertops, champagne bronze faucets, a custom glass door for the shower, and tile backsplash.
So what do you think about the home?
I like it. I like the inside. I like how many rooms there are and how everything just connects. It reminds me of home. Quiet. It's like a private oasis. Overall, I really like the wraparound walkway and also the sidewalk on the side of the house.
Let me know what you think about this home. Do you like it? What's your favorite feature? Let me know in the comments. I'm Vashon McLaughlin, real estate broker in North Carolina. Until next time, happy house hunting.